How to add photo and videos together on Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application, then tap on your story, and here you can select multiple videos and photos at the same time. After selecting the videos and photos, tap on next. Then you have two options. Either you can post them separately or in one frame, choosing different layouts. So here I am tapping on separate, and then here you will be able to select music to your video. So simply select any one of them, and after doing so tap on done. Then you can tap on next, and your photo and videos will be posted together on Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.